Hey guys, if you want to see how I turn these dirty brushes clean, keep on watching.
Love you like mango. Better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Me say me love you like mango. Better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Tell you what I want to. Need a minute of you.
Okay, so we're just going to start it off. I'm showing off my dirty brushes as you can see, because in some minutes for you they will be clean. So first things first, you're going to get a container. You're going to boil your water in a kettle, in a pot, whichever. So you're going to boil your water and you're going to put your water in your container that you're going to put your brushes in. You're going to add some soap, whether liquid soap, shampoo, body wash, just some liquid soap. So you're going to add your brushes. I did this twice, so 20 minutes, throw away that dirty water, boil water again, 20 minutes, because my brushes were extremely dirty, as you can see. Y'all see those foundation, those powders, those eyeshadows coming all together to get brown dirt, like the water is dirty. Yes, so I had to do it twice, as I said before. So guys, after I've done this twice, you're just going to remove your brushes and throw away the water. So guys, now I'm just washing my hands to just, make sure it's everything clean and clean. So now I'm just washing out the brushes, as you can see. And for the hand part, the handle part of the brushes, which are dirty, I am going to put some soap and I don't even know what its name, scour, wash, I don't know, but that thing, yes, and I'm going to scrub it so that the dirt can get off. So guys, the correct name first is a dishwashing sponge. Yes, so I applied soap to it. I think it's shampoo. So after I wash out the brush part, and if the handle is dirty, I'm just going to wash it. As you can see, just scrub until it's clean, right? And that's basically it. So I'm just going to show you a few more times, and yeah, just enjoy the music guys, just enjoy the music. By the way, like the video, subscribe it if you haven't already, yes, and turn on the notification bell so you are notified whenever I post a new video. Okay guys, so I forgot to tell you that I use a toothpick to just run through the brushes. Just in case anything is left inside, you can use a comb or just anything that can go through the brush easily. So guys, after you finish washing the brushes, you just lay them flat on a towel. You just lay them flat on a towel. So if you lay them flat on a towel, they'll take maybe overnight to dry or longer, but to speed up the process, this is what I'm doing. So I'm just looking for a dry spot on the towel and I'm just basically brushing out the water, if that makes sense. It's self-explanatory. So guys, if you haven't liked the video as yet, because I believe I tell you this already, make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe if you're new, because we have big nice clean content over here. Yes, so you need to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you just get the notification, you know, say all natural Candice post a new video, so you need to hop on it, right? And this is basically it. Guys. Watch the ads also, share it with your makeup people, or not even your makeup people, just share it with people so that they can learn something or teach someone else. And we are done. So honestly said, the brush them clean now so I can use them for my face again. So I'm going to show you a before picture again and the after picture, so you can see still like this really work and you can try it for yourself. And just leave a comment, tell me if you like the video, if you learned something new. Just, you know, it's just a vibe. Tell me other video ideas that you'd like me to do, because I'm over here bored.